Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, this is an interesting week. This is something that I don't recall seeing ever before. So, typically, the market is closed on the Good Friday holiday. It's celebrated by, Christians, Catholics, all that. And that is this Friday, April 7th. Now, the market is closed that day. What typically happens is, a lot of times that's on the first Friday of the month. And when that happens, that's when the unemployment report is announced. They usually change the date of the unemployment report so that it's announced when the market is open. But it appears to me that this week we will have the unemployment report come out on Friday, April 7th, when the market is closed. Now, that is interesting, and that might actually lead to some lower volatility because it gives people a little bit of time to think before reacting, and that could have some implications on our trading, could potentially make some of our credit spreads, iron condors, maybe even time spreads a little more attractive, and some of our long volatility trades a little bit less attractive. So be wary of that. Keep an eye on it. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.